let's take a look at a view in the perspective module. Views are a flexible unit of design. They can act as their own standalone screen or a smaller part of a larger overall page, such as a sidebar or a pop-up. You'll see that there's a views folder. This folder will contain all of the views within this one project. When you're ready to create a view, you can simply right-click on the folder and select New View. It'll give us a little pop-up window here. Now I'm going to leave these settings with the default values for now, and I'll just create the new view. But now let's actually look at a view. So with the view selected, you can see that it has a list of properties over here, including some size properties. So if I needed to change the size of my view, I could do it here, or I could simply grab the little resize icons and move them around. If we head back up to the project browser, under any of the views, there's this thing called root, and selecting it doesn't really appear to change much in the workspace here, except for the property editor, which is now showing properties for the root container.